In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to balance QuickBooks Online 2026, step by step. Balancing or reconciling makes sure the transactions in QuickBooks match what actually cleared your bank. When this is done right, your books are accurate and ready for reporting. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the homepage, confirm that the bank or credit card account you want to reconcile is already connected or added to your chart of accounts. This ensures QuickBooks has the activity you'll be comparing. If you're not sure, take a moment to verify the account appears in your list and shows recent activity. Next, grab your bank statement for the period you're reconciling. You'll need 3 details from it: the statement ending date, the ending balance, and the list of transactions that cleared during that period. You can use a PDF or a paper copy, whatever you prefer, as long as those numbers are clear. Keep this statement beside you because you'll reference it line by line. Now head to the Reconcile screen. You can open it by clicking the gear icon at the top right and selecting Reconcile, or by going to Transactions and choosing Reconcile. Either path takes you to the same place. Choose the specific bank or credit card account you're working on. Enter the statement ending balance and the statement ending date exactly as they appear on your statement. Accuracy here is crucial. A wrong digit or the wrong month can throw off everything that follows. When those fields look correct, click Start Reconciling. You'll see a list of transactions in QuickBooks. Compare them against your bank statement and check off each one that appears on the statement. Focus on the date, amount, and description. It's normal for dates to differ by a day or two due to posting times, but the amounts should match. If you don't see a transaction on your statement, leave it unchecked for now. It likely hasn't cleared yet. As you check items, watch the difference amount at the top of the screen move closer to 0. If it stalls, scan for duplicates or amounts that don't align with the statement. Continue matching until every transaction on the statement is accounted for and the difference shows exactly 0. That 0 means your QuickBooks balance for that period matches the bank. When you reach that point, click Finish Now. You've successfully balanced the account, and your records for that statement period are confirmed. Great job staying methodical. Taking a steady, consistent approach each month keeps your books clean and reliable.